Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a nice little roof spoiler, rear wiper. We do have that nice backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have plenty of cargo space. You got lights, hooks, and doodads. A 12-volt, you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. And you do get more storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, adjustable back seats, rear vents, and a 12-volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And you do get quite a bit of space in the back with some floor mats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. And you got your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 75,247 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We got your toggle for your screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, ugh, the sun is a beauty today. We do get trip 1 and 2 in there, your fave things. So we have a digital speedometer, driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, information about the vehicle, and all that fun. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with a USB-C and a 12-volt. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. To my right, we do get our center console with even more storage with a USB. We got our climate controls with heated front seats. You do get a hazard. Your media controls, storage below. And looking here, we do get navigation, audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. Free audio, you do get your normal AM, FM, but you do get Bluetooth and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation just conveniently right there, so you don't get lost on those long car rides. Any apps you may download will show up right here, Sirius XM Travel Link, and settings such as your Apple CarPlay, Ford Pass, driving assist, voice commands, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA37722B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.